Helo, a chroeso I Gwobrau Partneriaid Gwerthfawr Gyrfa Cymru. Cefais y fraint o arwain y Gwobrau yn 2018 yn y canolfan millennium, ac rwy'n falch iawn I fod gyda chi unwaith eto I arwain y seremoni y flwyddyn yma, dros y we y tro hwn. A warm welcome to the third annual Careers Wales Valued Partner Awards. Wherever you are, it's a pleasure to be asked to host the awards again and to celebrate the incredible contribution that you as employers make to support young people with their career decisions. This is the first virtual Valued Partner Awards, enabling us to come together to celebrate the outstanding way you work with Careers Wales and the schools and young people of Wales. Mae 21 o fusnesau o bob cwr o Gymru yma heddiw. Braf iawn eich gweld chi gyd a llongyfarchiadau mawr ar gyrraedd y rhestr fer. Careers Wales is delighted to announce that 21 different businesses from a range of sectors have been shortlisted for a Valued Partner Award this year, and we're really happy to see you all wherever you are from across Wales this morning. Fe fyddwn yn rhannu newyddion am y gwobrau ar y cyfryngau cymdeithasol drwy gydol y seremoni. Gobeithio y gwnewch hithau ymuno gyda ni I rannu newyddion am eich rhan yn y seremoni a'n eich sianeli hi hefyd, gan gofio cynnwys yr hashnod Gwobrau Partneriaid Gwerthfawr. We'll be sharing news on all our social media channels throughout the awards and hope that you'll join us on your own social media channels. Remember to include that hashtag Valued Partner Awards. We're really looking forward to seeing what you share and any photos you might have. It's an excellent opportunity to celebrate your success and to share information about the work you've been doing with schools in your area. Nesaf I ddechrau'r seremoni, rydym am glywed am fanteision ymgysylltu a chyflogwyr gan athrawon, pobl ifanc a chyflogwyr. Let's start the ceremony now by hearing from the teachers, young people and employers about the benefits of employer engagement in schools.
Wel, wrth gwrs, mae'n pencadlys ni yma'n Crossans ni yng nghanol Cwm Gwendrau. Felly rhywbeth naturiol iawn I ni o ddestyn allan I ysgolion yr ardal, ysgolion uwchradd yr ardal, a treial meithrin perthynas. Wel, yn bersonol, un o gyfyrddin yn reiddiol, a fi'n byw yn yr ardal, a mae'n teimlad gret mwyn gweld pobl ifanc, achos nhw yw dyfodol yn sector ni, dim yn unig yn Crossans, ond sector bwyd dros ledled Gymru. Wel, mae'n bwysig ryfedd I ni estyn allan i'r ysgolion yr ardal, Maes y Gwendraeth, Dyffryn Aman, Llandeilo, lawr yn Gyfyrddin, achos nhw fydd gweithwyr y dyfodol I ni fel Castell Awel.
It's great to be able to sort of support schools in the area. I mean, very much one of the things that got me into this job is the fact that I want to support people from my own position growing up in rural West Wales, wanted to get into the TV and film industry, but there weren't the opportunities there, and had to sort of develop my own career path. The young people now growing up do have those opportunities presented to them, so they are aware of those where they can find a career in the TV and film industry. It's very important obviously to have productions crewed up as they are now, but thinking long term we want to make sure that people are aware of the range of different opportunities, both within the sort of more traditional things like camera and sound directing, but also thinking about the more diverse range, and to be things like, you know, sort of construction, the legal department, the finance, the catering, the sort of, you know, it's a very diverse range. And it's important to get these messages in schools because getting them as early as possible to make people aware of the opportunities within the industry.
Mae disgyblion yn elwa fawr iawn o'n gysylltu efo cyflogwyr. Maen nhw'n ymwybodol o'r holl gyfleoedd sydd ar gael iddyn nhw. Maen nhw'n ymwybodol o'r holl gyfleoedd lleol sydd ar gael iddyn nhw'n benodol. Mae ganddyn nhw'r wybodaeth mwyaf cyfoes a diweddara sydd ar gael, a mae hyn I gyd yn ei helpu nhw benderfynu lle I fynd nesaf ar ôl gadael yr ysgol. Mae'r cwricwlwm I Gymru roi lot o sylw I gysylltiadau efo'r byd gwaith. Enghraifft ddiweddar gen i'n ysgol Brwydris o Gwobrau media dod I mewn I wneud gwasanaeth efo blwyddyn 10 ac 11, yr holl gyfleoedd sydd ar gael o fewn y maes yna. A wedyn yn cydweithio efo disgyblion blwyddyn 8 ar weithdy sgriptio eto yn dod ar byd rondo media yn fyw i'r disgyblion fel bod nhw'n gweld y cyswllt rhwng gwersi iaith a y byd gwaith yma.
The vocational subjects have benefited enormously from employer engagement, and we involve a whole range of services including the police, fire officers and probation officers. We also engage then in doing our health and wellbeing days with a variety of different services to make sure that the students have a broad and balanced range of opportunities to meet employers. We also prepare our students for the world of work by setting up mock interviews and careers fairs. We feel that it builds links with the classroom and the world of work and increases awareness of opportunities for qualifications needed for the variety of jobs that they offer. And I think it provides them with opportunities to build relationships with employers. I mean, our most successful one is with our Buckinghamshire link which we have, which the students have the opportunity to go down and go on tour of the site, etc. And we're also very lucky that Sue from Buckinghamshire comes in and supports with careers events in the school, like the careers workshops and the Year 11 mock interviews.
Gafon ni cyflwyniad gan Rondo, oedd yn cyflwyno i mi y gwahanol cyfleoedd oedd ar gael yn y maes teledu. Rydyn ni byth yn meddwl bod 80 person yn gweithio ar un pennod o rownd ar un. Ar ôl cael y cyflwyniad, dwi'n teimlo bod yna wahanol swyddi i bawb tu ôl pob sector. Ar ôl cael cyflwyniadau gan cyflogwyr gwahanol, dwi wedi mwynhau clywed eu hanes nhw a sut ar nhw cael i'r swydd mewn rhywle.
Ar ôl cael sesiynau gan cyflogwyr yn y misoedd gwahanol, dwi'n meddwl mae'n rhoi syniad o'r pethau gwahanol sy'n fi'n gallu gwneud ar ôl gadael ysgol.
So we took part in the Year 11 mock interviews and we've also had various opportunities such as Buckingham site visits where we get to learn about different jobs and how they work. It made me feel inspired and motivated, and it helped me to learn about different job sectors and how they benefit people. So one example was I talked to a gentleman that designs roads, and that gave me an aspect of how much thought goes into that. So most mornings in form we have ambition assemblies, and that's basically us hearing from past pupils about how they went on from school and which path they took to their career. So for example, whether they went to college and studied A-levels or whether they went to an apprenticeship or sixth form. It's interesting to see how many paths you can take.
Gobeithio fod pawb wedi mwynhau y fideo yna, a diolch i Edward o Castell Howell a Rhys o Screen Alliance Wales am rannu pam i bod nhw'n gweithio gydag ysgolion, a braf iawn clywed gan ddisgyblion Ysgol Bro Idris a Ysgol Pentre Hafod. Y disgyblion yn hyderus a hapus i rannu i barn nhw am fanteision cyfarfod cyflogwyr fel chi yn yr ysgol. I hope that video reinforces the importance of employer engagement for employers, teachers and young people. And thank you to Rhys and Edward for sharing why you work with schools. And it's great to have pupils from North and South Wales also talking about the benefits of meeting employers like you. Yn sicr, roedd Dawn Howells o Ysgol Pentre Hafod a Melanie Cooper o Ysgol Bro Idris yn pwysleisio pwysigrwydd ymgysylltu gyda chyflogwyr yn y cwricwlwm newydd i ysgolion. The new curriculum for Wales will be rolled out from September 2022, and both teachers on the video there mentioned the importance of employer engagement for schools when delivering the new curriculum. Here's Nikki Lawrence now, Careers Wales' Chief Executive, to tell us more about the fantastic work that's been going on in schools throughout the pandemic and what the future holds for employer engagement in schools. Nikki, over to you.
For the introductions, Bore da pawb, good morning everyone. As Sarah says, I'm Nikki Lawrence and I'm the Chief Exec here at Careers Wales. And this is our third Valued Partner Award, so welcome to everybody. As Sarah mentioned at the beginning, we held our first one in 2018 in the Wales Millennium Centre at a lunchtime. And then the following year, we held one at the Hilton Hotel in Cardiff in 2019, and that was an evening event. And then unfortunately, the year after that, we weren't able to have one due to the COVID situation. So we as a team at Careers Wales and myself are really keen that we did something to celebrate it this year, and hence a slightly different way of doing it, but hence today's award ceremony. And hopefully next year we'll be able to get together face to face again. So today is about celebrating the support you as employers give to young people. And there are many reasons why your support remains critical for our young people. There's a lot of research that employer engagement and education can help to broaden young people's horizons and raise their aspirations. It can help to excite young people about subjects, increasing motivation, confidence and attitudes to learning. It can also challenge gender and social stereotypes, help to improve academic attainment at GCSEs and beyond, increase young people's earning potential, and it can also help to reduce the likelihood of young people becoming NEET, not in education, employment and training. And you as employers can really help and do help in many of those areas. Here at Careers Wales, we do a yearly survey of young people and their careers plans. And there's often a mismatch between early career aspirations and opportunity awareness of young people and what is actually happening in the labour market in the demand and growth sectors. And young people not always knowing what the jobs in the future would be. And hearing from yourselves as employers can really help to address this. There's also research that shows that young people from more affluent backgrounds tend to have access to a wider social network, providing them with greater social and career capital, which can often lead to different career trajectories than those from poorer backgrounds. If all the young people of Wales are to develop social networks and have access to a wider range of career opportunities, then the role you play as employers is vital in promoting social mobility. We here at Careers Wales believe that employer engagement is a real priority, and it's going to be a priority for both the short and long term. In the short term, there have been challenges facing our young people because of the pandemic, and that's meant that it's been difficult to have some meaningful contact with employers. And this has become even more important, but also more difficult for schools to provide over this period. We have an excellent team of employer engagement people within Careers Wales, and they have developed excellent relationships with employers from a variety of sectors and throughout Wales. And it's because we've built these excellent relationships that over this particularly difficult period of the last year and a half, we've been able to still deliver in this area. So just a few stats for you. Since April 2020, we've been able to help employers deliver over 500 live digital presentations. And we've also worked alongside yourselves here and other employers to produce 800 videos. And in these videos, you've talked about your career journeys and what it's like to work in the sector. There's also been panel discussions looking at topics such as the Welsh language and how that can help in the workplace, challenging any gender or racial stereotypical thoughts and career limiting beliefs relating to backgrounds. And I think over this period, schools have really valued that digital offer. And here at Careers Wales, we will be looking to, in the future, deliver our offer in a more blended way. So the digital offer will be here to stay. And in terms of the longer term, Sarah was saying earlier, there's the new curriculum of Wales, which will be rolled out in September 2022. And this includes careers and work-related experiences as a cross-cutting theme for children and young people from the ages of 3 to 16. And within the careers and work-related experience, there is an expectation that students should benefit from direct links with employers. And we've long argued that young people should start to learn about careers from an early age. And you as employers will now have a fantastic opportunity to make that a reality. So I'd just like to summarise up and say we're delighted to welcome you all today and to recognise your contributions. We've got a range of categories, including outstanding personal contribution, most innovative support for schools, most supportive small business, best newcomer, and best ongoing relationship with schools. So again, I'd really like to thank you all for submitting your application and of course for your ongoing support. And I look forward to congratulating the winners. And now I'll just pass back to Sarah.
Thank you, Nikki. Diolch yn fawr, Nikki. Mae'n amlwg eich bod wedi bod yn brysur iawn. Mae'r dyfodol yn edrych yn gyffrous iawn ar gyfer ymgysylltu gyda chyflogwyr. Well, it's been a busy year, clearly, and fantastic to hear that employer engagement has continued throughout the pandemic through innovation and strong relationships between Careers Wales and employers. And creating 500 live digital employer presentations to young people since the start of the pandemic is fantastic. Well done. Nesaf, rydym ymglywed gan Jeremy Miles, Gweinidog y Gymraeg ac Addysg. Here is Jeremy Miles now, the Minister for Education and the Welsh Language, to tell us more about the importance of your support for young people to develop the skills they need for the jobs of the future in Wales.
Yn gyntaf ac yn bwysicaf oll, dwi yn bersonol am ddweud diolch enfawr I bob cyflogwr sydd yma heddi. Dwi'n cydnabod y rôl bwysig ych chi'n gyn chwarae. Mae pob un ohonoch chi'n helpu ac yn cefnogi yn pobl ifanc ni I ddatblygu'r sgiliau sydd I hangen arnyn nhw I wneud swyddi'r dyfodol. Rydych chi'n rhoi cyfleoedd i'n pobl ifanc I gynyddu I dealltwriaeth o fyd gwaith, a rydych chi hefyd yn rhoi cipolwg uniongyrchol iddyn nhw ar rolau, sectorau a diwydiannau penodol. Mae'r profiadau hyn yn ehangu gorwelion a maen nhw'n helpu pobl ifanc I ddarganfod beth yw I diddordebau nhw wrth feddwl am yrfa. A maen nhw'n I helpu I ddeall beth mae cyflogwyr yn chwilio amdano. Ac yn y pen draw, mae'r profiadau I chi'n I darparu o fydd i'n pobl ifanc I wneud y penderfyniadau a fydd yn effeithio ar eu llwybr i'r dyfodol. There is strong and consistent evidence that highlights the value and importance of employer engagement with schools and learners. We know when we provide learners with meaningful employer encounters, it will broaden their horizons and raise their aspirations. It'll excite them about subjects and increase their motivation and confidence and attitude to learning. It'll challenge gender and social stereotypes. It'll improve academic attainment. It'll increase earning potential. And it'll increase the likelihood of young people remaining in education, training or employment. We also recognise the importance of our learners having opportunities to hear from a wide range of employers. Employers from different social, economic and ethnic backgrounds, employers from different sectors, doctors, hairdressers, forestry, construction workers. They need to hear about the different levels of career within different sectors, and they need to hear about the variety of career pathway opportunities that are available. Apprenticeships, colleges, universities and entrepreneurships. By meeting employers from priority sectors, we can potentially help address the disconnect between learner aspirations and the opportunities that will be available to them when they leave school. The COVID crisis has made it more critical for us to help learners as they move through education and into the labour market. We must continue to ensure we are meeting the needs of our young people and our future job market. Education in Wales is changing. Schools are preparing for the rollout of our new curriculum. Careers and work-related experiences has been given a new focus and features throughout the new curriculum. An understanding of the world of work will now begin in primary school. There is no better way to ensure that we are a prosperous and thriving nation than through quality education. Together, I know that you are making a difference to the lives of young people. You're helping them to grow and to blossom into adults who will thrive in their future careers. Dwi am ddymuno pob lwc I bob unigolyn a chwmni sydd wedi cyrraedd yr restr fer. Mae'n rhaid dweud fy mod i'n eich ystyried chi gyd yn enillwyr. Mae pob un ohonoch chi wedi cefnogi gweithlu efori yng Nghymru. Yn ola, diolch enfawr I Gyrfa Cymru, nid dim ond am drefnu'r digwyddiad gwych yma, ac am gydnabod y cyfraniad amrysiadwy yma busnesau yn ei wneud, ond hefyd am ymestyn allan at gyflogwyr o bob math o sectorau a'i gwneud yn bosib iddyn nhw ymgysylltu gyda ysgolion a disgyblion ledled Cymru drwy amrywiaeth eang o weithgareddau. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi.
diolch I chi, Gweinidog. Thank you, Minister. Nawr, mae'n amser i ni wobrwyo eich gwaith da a chyhoeddi enillwyr Gwobrau Partneriaid Gwerthfawr 2021 Gyrfa Cymru. Fel y dywedodd Jeremy Miles, rydych chi gyd yn enillwyr. Now it's time to announce the winners, but as the Minister has already said in his video, you are all already winners. Y flwyddyn hon, gyfynwyd Gyrfa Cymru I fusnesau wneud cais am wobr partneriaid Gwerthfawr gan ddewis o 5 categori gwahanol. This year, Careers Wales asked businesses to nominate themselves for a Valued Partner Award, choosing from 5 different categories. The judging panel was really impressed with the number of applications received, showing the excellent work being done across Wales to support schools and young people engage in the world of work. 5 businesses were shortlisted for each category. We're starting with Gwobrau, y cymorth mwyaf arloesol I ysgolion, the Most Innovative Support for Schools Award. Ar gyfer y categori yma, roedd y Beirniaid yn edrych am busnes sydd yn greadigol gan ddefnyddio technoleg cysylltu ag ysgolion ac yn barod I rhoi cynnig ar syniadau newydd. The entries for this category were asked to demonstrate how the business has been creative with the use of technology to engage with schools and to try new and innovative ideas. Y busnesau cyrhaeddodd y rhestr fer yw, and the shortlisted businesses are Nexperia, JCP Solicitors, Win Construction, Screen Alliance Wales, and Morganstone Limited. Our enillydd yw, and the winner is Win Construction. Llongyfarchiadau mawr iddyn nhw. Congratulations, Win Construction. And I believe Alison is there from Win Construction. Hello, Alison. Well done.
Hello, Sarah. Thank you very much. And thank you very much to Careers Wales for the award. It's marvellous.
Well, you all deserve to be very pleased as a team, I'm sure. So thank you very much for engaging as you have and for using technology. Well done again. Well done, Win Construction. Mae nifer fawr o gwmnïau bychain yn troi I amser prin I ysbrydoli pobl ifanc yng Nghymru a hoffym ddiolch iddynt gyda wobr busnes bach mwyaf cefnogol. Now, many small businesses who employ fewer than 10 members of staff give their precious time to inspire young people in Wales. So the next award, the Most Supportive Small Business Award, is Careers Wales' way to thank those small businesses who have supported a range of different school activities and actively promoted their relationship with Careers Wales and 1 or more schools. Y busnesau cyrhaeddodd y rhestr fer yw, and the small businesses who reached that shortlist are Stanley Finance Limited, Kids Lingo, Dioni, and Win Construction. And enillydd y wobr busnes bach mwyaf cefnogol yw, and the winner of the Most Supportive Small Business Award goes to Kids Lingo. Congratulations, Kids Lingo. Llongyfarchiadau mawr. Charlotte, are you there?
Fantastic.
Well done.
Thank you so much. I'm actually representing our client, Kids Lingo, Natasha Baker, who's absolutely fantastic. We've been working with her for over a year, and to see the journey that she has travelled and what she's done during lockdown as well has been absolutely awesome. So she deserves this so much, and I think all of you should be very proud to be here. You're all winners. Thank you.
So a very positive experience all round for everybody. Thank you and well done. Thank you, Charlotte, for speaking for Kids Lingo, and congratulations to you all. Careers Wales' business engagement advisors bring schools and businesses together and work tirelessly to create new partnerships that provide young people in schools with varied activities, looking at careers in a range of different sectors. Mae'r wobr newydd ddyfodiad gorau yma ar gyfer busnes sydd wedi dechrau gweithio gyda Gyrfa Cymru yn y flwyddyn diwethaf. The Best Newcomer Award is for a business who started working with Careers Wales over this last year, who have supported more than 1 activity in a school and who actively promoted their involvement in education business activities. A rwyf yn gobeithio bod yr holl busnesau sydd wedi cyrraedd y rhestr fer wedi mwynhau ysbrydoli bobl ifanc a dod â'r cwricwlwm yn fyw. And let's hope that all the newcomers who reached the shortlist, Kids Lingo, Swansea Bay University Health Board, Future Valleys Construction, Balfour BT and Round Around have really enjoyed their first year of employer engagement and look forward to supporting more activities with young people and schools over the next few years. So the next award is Mae'r Wobr ar gyfer y newydd ddyfodiad gorau yn mynd I. The award for Best Newcomer goes to Future Valleys Construction. Llongyfarchiadau mawr. Congratulations. And I think they're all watching at home, wherever they are, and in the office. So very, very well done to everyone from Future Valleys Construction. And thank you for the great work that you've done and are doing. Oh, they are there, actually. There they are.
Sorry, thank you very much. Yeah, we're delighted. Yeah, it's Martin Gallimore from Future Valleys. Yeah, hi there. Yeah, we know we're delighted with this. Yeah, building Wales's biggest construction project is going to be an exciting sort of time to come, really. The first year we spent working with Careers Wales to develop our links with all the schools has been really good, and yeah, we're just excited to have another 4 years developing those links, engaging with those pupils and inspiring their careers going forward.
Fantastic. Well done again, and congratulations to you all. Mae Gyrfa Cymru yn falch iawn o greu cysylltiadau cryf a pharhaus rhwng busnesau ac ysgolion. Perthynas ble mae cyflogwyr yn cefnogi nifer o weithgareddau gwahanol mewn ysgol penodol. Careers Wales work hard to create a strong relationship between a business and a school, a relationship that allows the business to support many different activities with a local school during the academic year, be it through mock interviews, site visits, careers fairs, and much more. Castell Howell, Cartrefi Melin, Neath Nwy Prydain, Buckingham Group, Contracting and Vinci Construction all have fantastic relationships with their local school and have supported many employer engagement activities over the past 2 years. Diolch I chi gyd. Thank you to you all. It's just a shame that there can only be one winner. And we're just about to announce that winner. Enillydd y wobr am y berthynas barhaus orau gyda ysgol yw. And the winner of the Best Ongoing Relationship with the School Award goes to Neath Nwy Prydain, Nest British Gas, Llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations. And Michelle is there, I think, from British Gas. Hello, Michelle.
Yes.
Hi.
Hello. Thank you very much. It's been an absolute pleasure working collaboratively with Careers Wales, and we look forward to continuing our school's relationship. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Diolch yn fawr I chi, llongyfarchiadau mawr I chi gyd fel team. Very, very well done indeed. And I hope that relationship just goes on for a long and happy time. A dyma y categori olaf yn y flwyddyn yma, and here's the last category for this year's awards ceremony. Mae Gyrfa Cymru yn gweithio gyda miloedd o busnesau gwahanol bob blwyddyn. O fewn y busnesau hynny, mae unigolion arbennig iawn sy'n bwrw mlaen I fod pob amser yn barod I helpu, I gymryd rhan a rhoi cynnig ar syniadau newydd a rhannu I bositifrwydd gydag eraill. Careers Wales works with thousands of different businesses every year, but within those businesses are special individuals who are always ready to inspire young people in schools, always willing to try new ideas and to encourage others to take part in activities and to acknowledge the importance of employer engagement. Yr unigol ddaeth i'r brig ar gyfer Gwobr Cyfraniad Personol Eithriadol 2021 yw, and the individual who stood out for the Outstanding Personal Contribution Award for 2021 goes to Eleri Jenkins, Bwrdd Iechyd Prifysgol Cwm Taf Morgannwg University Health Board. Gwych, Eleri. Well done, Eleri.
Diolch yn fawr, I ddim yn disgwyl hwnna, ond fi wedi mwynhau cael cyfle I rannu gwybodaeth am yr faoedd yn y gig gwasanaeth iechyd, yn enwedig hybu defnydd o'r Gymraeg, so I've really enjoyed working with Careers Wales. to provide information on careers in the National Health Service, as well as promoting the use of the Welsh language with young people. Diolch.
Wel, mae'n amlwg bod chi'n mwynhau Eleri. Mae hwnna'n bwysig iawn, dwi'n meddwl.
Ydw, yn fawr iawn.
Wel, llongyfarchiadau mawr I chi, a llongyfarchiadau mawr i'r holl enillwyr. Congratulations to all of you, all winners from the 5 categories: Win Construction, Kids Lingo, Future Valleys Construction, Neath Nest Nwy Prydain British Gas, and Eleri Jenkins from Bwrdd Iechyd Prifysgol Cwm Taf Morgannwg. Fe fydd tlysau ar ei ffordd I chi yn y post dros y dyddiau nesaf, wrapped very carefully. Your Special Value Partners Awards 2021 glass trophies will be sent to you by post over the next few days. And please remember to share your success on your social media channels using that hashtag Valued Partner Awards, Gwobrau Partneriaid Gwerthfawr. A dyna ni, ddiwedd y Gwobrau. We come to the end of this year's awards, sadly. Diolch I chi gyd. Diolch am ysbrydoli pobl ifanc a dod â'r cwricwlwm yn fyw mewn ysgolion yng Nghymru. Diolch am barhau I ymgysylltu dros y flwyddyn diwethaf a bod yn arloesol gyda dulliau newydd o weithio gydag ysgolion. A diolch am fod efo ni heddiw I ddathlu. Thank you. Thank you for inspiring young people and bringing the curriculum to life in schools in Wales. Thank you for continuing to get involved and being open to new ideas and innovative ways of reaching schools and young people. And thank you, wherever you are, for attending the virtual Valued Partner Awards today. It's been wonderful, and hopefully some of what you've seen and heard today has helped reiterate the impact of the great work you do. Careers Wales looks forward to working with you all again over the next few months as we continue to support young people to develop the skills they need for the jobs of the future. We'll continue to engage digitally with young people and to return safely to meeting young people, parents and teachers at face-to-face events before too long, I hope. But for the moment, from me, Sarah Edwards, and all of us all over Wales, hwyl fawr.